Hi and welcome to the follow-up video. So we created a new environment, we installed our solution, and now it's time to install the flows. For this, we click on the customer portal on downloads, and here we find additional mandatory download HR4 Dynamics flows. Click on it, download it, and then we navigate to make.powerapps.com. So this is a different admin portal than you were previously on, make.powerapps.com. Here on the left-hand side, we click on Solutions. On the right-hand side, we click on System, or whatever the environment was you created. And here at the top, we have Import Solution. We click on it. We browse to wherever we saved the flow solution we just downloaded, and then click on Next. Here, just check that enable plugin steps is on. It's usually on by default, so all good. Next. And now we set up the connections. Those connections are needed because otherwise the flows won't run. That's the connection between your user, the admin user, and the platform, so the flows can run. For this, we click on Create, as we just saw. We log in, and now we created a connection. Now we can go back to our first tab, click on Refresh, and now you'll see a lot of those have already been filled. Here we are missing one yet, so we click on here again, go to the next page, say Create, log in again. So if you have a two-factor authentication, you have to do this as well. Refresh. Now everything is set up correctly. All the connections are set. We click on Import. And now this takes a while, so we will pause the video here again. And after, I don't know, half an hour or something, the solution will be installed. See you then. Okay, after a few minutes, the flows got installed. Now we click on them. And now we make sure that all the flows are on, that we want on. So everywhere where it says deprecated, like these two, you can ignore. So by the way, you can also do it here. So you click on turn on, so it's a little bit less loading time. Now this has been turned on. And now we can turn on the parent one. Okay, and can do the same for this one. So basically you can do this for the other ones as well. For the connection reference, you don't need to do this. For if you're not using and never will use the portal, you don't need those. And if you will never use dormakaba, which have access control and timestamp terminals, if you never use this, you can ignore those as well. And if you would never use OKR, the leadership module, you can ignore those as well. Otherwise, just turn it on and basically do this, what I just did for all of them till the end. That's it for setting up all the flows. Thank you. Bye bye.